To start the process of the Bama mask, you'll need a ruler. Start putting the ruler on the page. Draw 2 6cm lines on both sides of the page. Connect them, but make it slowly round. Draw 2 6cm lines on the bottom of the page. Then draw 2 roundish lines connecting the top centimeter lines to the bottom 6cm lines.
Once you have done that, in the middle of the mask draw 2 eyes. Make sure that they are wide enough for you to see through. Finally, make 2 holes either side of the mask and add a string and make a knot around the hole.